We are now talking about topsoil skirts. It is your third tree preservation actions. There's no particular order that you're going to perform these in. It all depends on what you find when you do your original interview, begin gathering data and find out. Now, in topsoil formation, or your what we used to call the black dirt skirts around the trees, we have to have some measurements, and that is a measurement of the DBH, the diameter at breast height of a tree. Now understand, trees less than 6 inches get measured at 1 foot. Trees greater than 6 inches get measured at about 4.5 feet breast height. And so where you measure the tree has everything to do with its accurate measurement. Why do we want it? Because 5 times that diameter is a minimum. ANSI specifies 6 to 19 times. And what our practical experience in 1,000 ecosystems and 10,000 trees has demonstrated for us is we very often don't get that much. And in the topsoil skirts in the critical root zone, you're going to find the other bad 3 tree risk: over competition, and you're going to find bad advice that people are giving your customers as to what they do in that area. And so with topsoil, I'm not going to get into a soil science project here. What we're basically interested in is how you can use this protocol to save your customers money in balancing, in the battle for balance, how you can balance their ecosystem to deliver the services that they most want, that give their lifestyle the most support through health, wealth, safety, and security. And by forming topsoil on site with recycled materials, and we're going to demonstrate all of this, and the 3 steps that we talk about: acquisition, where does the material come from in the critical root zones that you're going to use to form topsoil; incorporation, use of the air tool to mix it up and to incorporate it to get the microorganisms of the true ground level involved with it, so that mulch doesn't layer in there. We had a guy, operator, come to us at our last show and says, all of my customers can't afford to put additional mulch on their plants and in their designed ecosystem this year, so we're going to use the air tool to incorporate it. And so topsoil is all about acquisition, incorporation, and formation on site. It's a no-brainer. If your customers have money in the budget to go out and buy topsoil, haul it in, and put it down on the critical root zones, you can do that. You need simple equipment, simple instructions. You do need access to the entire designed ecosystem with some type of equipment and manpower to do it. And so planning in the creation and cooperation stage is absolutely critical, and topsoil formation is going to figure into all 3 of these tree preservation actions here to get their increase in home values, or if you're dealing with a commercial client, a increase in the beauty and the image that their business property creates. And so you keep all of those in mind. Topsoil, black dirt skirts is the way to go, and we'll teach you how to do it.